Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Prerna and today I have something very special to announce. I'm really very happy to announce today that I have finally launched my cookbook. I have been working on it since a very long time. My book has everything you need. It has over 100 recipes. It has recipes for juices, shakes, breakfast, smoothies, snacks, appetizers, lunch, dinner and desserts. I am 100% sure that once you get this book, you are not going to need any other cookbook. All the recipes mentioned in my cookbook are 100% vegetarian, healthy, tasty and very easy to cook. My cookbook is available as an ebook on my website, that is www.prernachadwani.com, and it is also available on Amazon, Smashwords, Barnes & Nobles and other major retailers online. So make sure you get your copy today. I will post the purchase link in my description box. So make sure you check that out. So that's it for today guys. I really do hope that you purchase my book and I would love to hear your feedback. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe.